I'm Nigel Mounsey, Director of the US Department of Energy's Joint Genome Institute. We're a national user facility supported by the DOE's Office of Science, Biological and Environmental Research Programme. I'd like to share some thoughts on our past year and what's coming up for the JGI in 2026. So 2025 was a transformative year for the JGI. We've undertaken a pivotal transformation to become an AI-centric user facility. This stems from the JGI's triennial review with DOE in December 2024, the priorities of the new administration here in the US, and the directions that science is rapidly moving in. In line with this, we've set our sights on leading AI-driven genomic innovation to advance biotechnology. With this change, we will seize a major opportunity for the JGI to reinvent how we generate, manage, and offer up our data. Our updates will make our data more accessible and usable to the broad scientific community that we serve. Our transformation centers on the establishment of the JGI Data Lakehouse. This is a new data architecture that will enable AI tools and models to work across data types and kingdoms. We are coupling this with an initiative we call Science at Scale. There we'll conduct projects to prototype the new data architecture and show what new discoveries are possible. Additionally, in support of this new data architecture, we are embarking on a journey to triple our sequencing sample throughput and output. We will accomplish that with a combination of automation, overhauling our protocols, and application of AI. This is an exciting time for the JGI, and still, change always comes with challenges. As part of our transformation, we've sadly had to say goodbye to some of our colleagues, some of whom have been with the JGI through much of its journey. But I really want to extend my sincere thanks to past and current members of the JGI for all of their hard work, incredible contributions, dedication to our mission, and for their support of each other, our leadership, and to me. Even with all of this change, 2025 was a remarkable year. Firstly, we achieved our 5th petabase of sequence output since the inception of the JGI. That is 5 times 10 to the power of 15 bases generated. We generated 1.1 petabases of sequence alone in 2025, our first year in generating more than a petabase in a single year. We synthesized 8.5 megabases of DNA and conducted over 17,000 metabolomics analyses. These outputs served a record 2,627 users who submitted proposals to use our capabilities, along with over 17,000 users who leveraged our data. In collaboration with our users, JGI researchers generated 238 publications. These numbers are sums of wide-ranging collaboration for scientific progress. To name just a few specific developments from the year, researchers created a generative model called Genome, trained on more than 600 gigabases, capable of analyzing and creating DNA sequences for an array of microbial life. We've improved DAPseq, or DNA affinity purification sequencing, so we can integrate multiplexed assays with single-cell gene expression maps. With this data, researchers can chart regulatory networks across evolutionary time and diverse plant lineages. In a collaboration that combines the JGI's genomic capabilities with the Molecular Foundry's nanoscale materials research, our researchers recovered high-value products from human waste. They genetically modified yeast to efficiently convert elements present in urine to create hydroxyapatite, a high-value biomaterial with a wide range of industrial applications. This aligns with DOE interests in critical minerals and material recovery. A JGI-led census of publicly available bacterial and archaeal sequences revealed that metagenomic datasets are significant contributors to the known microbial diversity. Metagenome assembled genomes, or MAGs, account for nearly 49% of the total estimated bacterial diversity. MAGs also account for about 57% of the estimated diversity of the available archaeal datasets. As always, our users are the reason for existence. We're fortunate to have such a scientifically rich user base from around the world that keep bringing truly extraordinary projects to us that push scientific advances. There are many more science stories of our work, and so please check them out at JGI's website, jgi.doe.gov. What I am most proud of this year is our staff, an amazing bunch of very, very talented people. And it's not just me that has recognised our staff this year. Our staff have received various awards, most notably Simon Rue receiving the ASM Microbiome Data Science Prize, Berkeley Lab Directors Awards to Kirsten Fagnan for Exceptional Organisational Impact Achievement, and Janelle Basso for Exceptional Mentorship Achievement, and again, another set of our scientists being recognised as highly cited researchers. Many congratulations to all of you. In a time where scientific funding has uncertainty, we are very grateful to our funders, BER, who have continued to generously support JGI. Looking to 2026, I believe it will be a big year for the JGI. We will shortly release a new strategic plan that will describe our ambitions to realise our transformation efforts. In addition to our AI focus, we will support users in new scientific directions. In one endeavour, we will enable work on critical minerals and materials. By partnering with the Molecular Foundry, a nanoscience research user facility, we will open a proposal call where users can take advantage of the combined capabilities of both the JGI and the Molecular Foundry to investigate the recovery, reuse, and metabolism of rare earth elements and other critical minerals. And we're gearing up to release our Community Science Programme call series for the year. Please watch for announcements coming soon. We will also host our first joint user meeting with our sister user facility, the Environmental Molecular Sciences Laboratory, EMSL, in early March in Seattle, and we look forward to seeing many of you there. I'm excited for 2026, and the JGI is moving forward on the winds of new opportunities. We look forward to working with you this year. Best wishes for 2026.